Advantages of the desktop app compared to the website include a consistent IP address and port number, which you can save, persistent connections, and faster peer-to-peer connections. When you open the application, log into your remote.it account. Once you log in, you will be brought to your devices page. There, you will see all of your current devices. If you go to the right-hand corner, you can sort them either alphabetically or by current state. If you would like to refresh your devices, you can press this icon. To make a connection, click on your device to show you its services. Then, click on the service you want. You can do this with multiple devices and multiple services. To see your current online connections, go to Connections. Here you can see that both my services are online and each has a local host address and is on a different port number. For example, to form an SSH connection, you can go to your computer's terminal and run the command SSH-L, your username, localhost, -P, and then the port number. It is equivalent to run the same command, but with 127.0.0.1 instead of writing localhost. For more information about what each component of the command means, you can refer to the remote.it documentation. To stop your connection, click on Disconnect. Then you'll see this icon change to orange. To restart the connection, click on Restart. Once the connection is back online, the icon will return to blue. You can also disconnect and forget the device, which will remove it from the Connections page. Next, I'm going to form a VNC connection. I can do this by copying this address and entering it into my VNC Viewer application. After I enter in my password, I will have formed a VNC connection with my Raspberry Pi. Like before, I can disconnect and forget the connection. If I go back to Devices, the services are still available.